An Audi Q5 fitted with a Ghost 2 by us at Immobiliser Fit. So the way it works, if a thief was to get the key, do a relay attack, hop in the vehicle, manage to get it started in some way, vehicle's running. As soon as they go to drive away by selecting a gear, you're going to see the car cut out. There you go, revs are dropped, car's cut out, get loads of faults. These will obviously clear on a correct start. So for the customer, they'll start the vehicle up as they normally do, go through the push sequence of their choosing. So for now we've left 1, 2, 3, 4 that they can change. Wait for a double flash. 2 flashes, there we go. Now we can select our gear and the vehicle remains running. If they're taking this car for a service, they want the system to be switched off so there's no code. What they'll do is go to the driver's window, press that 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we'll get 5 flashes to confirm. Now it's in service mode. So now when you give it to Audi, just give them the key. They'll be able to start it up and drive it with no code, just a normal vehicle. It goes in gear, stays in gear, remains running. When you get it back from them and you want it secure, just ignition on without starting. Pop your code in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Get your usual double flash. And when it's in service mode, that confirms it's come out. So now the next time someone gets in the vehicle, tries to attack it, and they select a gear, it's going to switch off unless they put the code in. So to get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is a 2019 Audi Q5. Thanks for watching.